So hey guys, it's Prithvi and today I'm going to show you how to watch any US shows in India for free. You can use this method in phone as well as PC. So let's get started. So now what you have to do is download two apps. Vida Phantom VPN. You can download any VPN, but you should connect it to the US server. Then the second app is CW. Okay, this is the app CW. You should download. After downloading these both apps, you should go to the VPN, connect it to a US server. Now go to the CW app and you'll load here some and you get it over here. Total free guys. It does not take any paid promotion, no price at all. Total free, you can watch it free online. Can't download it. You have all the US shows, Legacies, Black Lightning, Supergirl, or Riverdale. You get the Flash also. You can watch everything. Catty King coming soon. So for example, I'll go to the Flash and show you how this works. I'll go to this is the 6th season. There are how many 5 episodes. I'll go to the first episode and show you. Now as soon as this shows like this, it's going to take 2 seconds. Then it's going to show one ad. You can't skip the ad, guys. This is not the ad. Yeah, this is the ad. You
It's
can't
easy
skip
to
it.
shrink into your own little world. Especially these days.
I think it's here.
But after the ad,
Especially at this
it
age.
will show you the Flash season 6
It's a
episode
big,
1, which I've
beautiful
clicked
world
now.
out there.
You can't skip this ad. You have to watch
Sometimes
this ad.
you just need a little help seeing it.
The 3-row Subaru Ascent. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Car app.
Last season on The Flash.
Here you go, guys.
If you're watching this, it means
get
that
the Flash.
something went wrong.
What's happening?
A new timeline is setting in.
Thank you for everything.
I love you.
So as soon as it releases,
Look, Camilla, I don't want to keep
you
this
get
from
in
you
the
anymore.
CW
If
app.
being Vibe is a
For
part
free,
of the
guys.
life you
You
want,
can
I
watch
would
it
never get in the
online.
way of that.
I want to take the cure.
Killer Frost
So that's it, guys, for today's video.
Me too.
So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.
I would like my replacement to be you,
Hope
Joe.
you liked the
Let's go.
video and enjoyed it. Now in the VPN also it's connected. So guys, our last video, no shorts Bluetooth earphones review. We set a sub goal of 85, but you guys did it 90. So thank you for that. In this video, our sub goal will be 95. We are 90, perfectly 90. So our sub goal will be 95. Hope you will fulfill the sub goal. So thank you for watching, guys.